Imagine your Galaxy Z Flip 7 slipping from your hand. Would it survive the fall? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm revealing the top 5 best Galaxy Z Flip 7 drop protection cases, so you never have to worry again. Check out the links below and protect your phone with confidence. On number 5 is i-Blason case with stand. Ever seen a Galaxy Z Flip 7 survive a nasty tumble? The i-Blason case with stand makes it possible to turn a panic into pure relief. Designed for those who worry about accidental drops and daily bumps, this case tops the charts in the top 5 best Galaxy Z Flip 7 drop protection cases for real-life performance. With a tough, flexible build and a 9H tempered glass protector, your screen and camera stay safe from scratches and cracks, no matter where life takes you. The hinge guard adds that extra peace of mind, protecting your phone's most delicate part without compromising its iconic fold. A belt clip holster keeps your Z Flip 7 secure during adventures, while elevated bezels offer all-around defense. It's a bit bulkier than minimalist shells, but if protection, convenience, and genuine comfort matter most, this is a smart buy for peace of mind. Wondering how it stacks up to the next rugged contender? Stay tuned. And number 4 is SUPCASE Military-Grade Translucent. What if your Galaxy Z Flip 7 could survive a 20-foot drop and come out looking fresh? That's the reality with the SUPCASE Military-Grade Translucent, an absolute powerhouse in the lineup of top 5 best Galaxy Z Flip 7 drop protection cases. This isn't just hype. It's certified with real-world, 20-foot drop protection and millisticity standards. The hybrid TPU and PC shell, paired with external corner airbags, shields your device from life's unexpected chaos while letting the Flip's design shine through a high-transparency back. Built-in magnets make mag-safe wireless charging a breeze, while a zinc alloy hinge stand adds hands-free convenience for video calls or streaming on the go. A 9H tempered glass front keeps your screen safe, and textured sides mean no more accidental slips. It's slightly bulkier, but for those who want unmatched security, smart features, and a confident grip, this case is a wise, worry-free investment. Ready to see which contender offers comfort with protection? Stick around. And number 3 is Spigen Tough Armor Pro. Ever wondered if a sleek flip phone can handle real-life chaos? The Spigen Tough Armor Pro puts that worry to rest, redefining what rugged really means for the top 5 best Galaxy Z Flip 7 drop protection cases. Its spring-loaded, semi-auto sliding hinge cover shields your phone's weakest point. Tested over 100,000 times for reliability, you can feel the newly streamlined back is thinner yet even tougher thanks to air cushion technology in every corner. You get peace of mind knowing your Flip 7 can survive drops, bumps, and everyday adventures. Raised bezels protect your screen and camera from nasty scrapes, while the built-in kickstand makes binge-watching a breeze. Some users might prefer slimmer styles, but if you demand daily confidence, seamless usability, and tested protection, this case is a standout choice. Think safety should ever compromise style? Stick around, there's more to explore. At number 2 is Spigen Nano Pop. Can a case actually make your Galaxy Z Flip 7 look even cooler while keeping it safe from drops? That's exactly what the Spigen Nano Pop delivers. A bold, energetic take on drop protection within the top 5 best Galaxy Z Flip 7 drop protection cases. Its hard PC back paired with a flexible, grippy TPU frame means every bump and scratch is absorbed, while the dotted side texture keeps your phone firmly in hand. No more slip-induced heart attacks. The two-tone colorways are a breath of fresh air compared to bland cases. And MagSafe compatibility means magnetic charging and accessories work like a dream. Raised bezels offer genuine reassurance for both your screen and camera, and precise buttons feel natural to use. Some might crave bulkier armor, but if you love secure grip, easy style, and dependable daily protection, this is a standout pick. Curious how it stacks up to the Magnetic Champion next? Keep watching. The frosted matte finish feels luxurious, stays clean, and keeps your phone looking sharp. Raised lips shield both the camera and screen, so scratches never spoil your experience. It's a tad bulkier than super slim options. But if you crave serious security, effortless MagSafe use, and standout modern style, FNTCASE is an investment in peace of mind. Curious how it compares to others for long-term daily use? Let's see what's next. Among all the contenders, the FNTCASE Magnetic Case is the ultimate winner for Galaxy Z Flip 7 drop protection. Its unbeatable magnetic hold, 10-foot military-grade drop defense, and sleek matte finish deliver both modern style and rock-solid security. Raised edges shield your screen and camera, while MagSafe compatibility means effortless daily use. If you want next-level peace of mind, reliable protection, and smart convenience in one package, FNTSA is the clear choice for anyone serious about keeping their Z Flip 7 safe. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best Galaxy Z Flip 7 drop protection cases. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.